Hey guys, I'm James at JS Detailing, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our car wash process. Every vehicle that comes through our shop, whether it's for correction and coating or paint protection film, starts with a major decontamination process in our wash bay. So most of the time, if you're washing at home, you're using your hose or even tap water, but here we wanted to take it a step further, so we invested in a full Colgan water system. This purified water lets our products go much farther and provides a spot-free rinse when we're done. Alright guys, so that was a quick rundown on our water system and everything a car goes through as it comes through our shop. Stay tuned for updates on this RS3.